dice, dares, and drinks? Sure, why not? Let's give this thing a try. It's by, I guess, Garybank is the company. Ages 21 plus. So we'll see what I can show you from this. Let's open it up and check it out. It looks like it's going to be a tic-tac-toe game. So as far as the instructions go, I guess this is it. Maybe they're under here. Ah, there we go. Aha. So it looks like we have, this is it somehow here. This is the instructions. So the game instructions are, it's an open game. You have many ways to enjoy it. Step one player is the target, and the other players are opponents. So target in a tic-tac-toe game, targets first, and uses the opponent take an action according to the loss, draw, and win of the tic-tac-toe game. I don't know. Let's see what this thing's have here. So I guess you would spin one of these things here, one of these dice, and it's going to come up with the tasks to do. So let's see. Just pick one here. Hopefully it's nothing that's going to be too inappropriate. And so if I got one here, so I just rolled this. So I guess if I rolled an X, I would be able to put the X on the board. If I rolled an O, I would be able to put the O on the board. But otherwise, let's see what it says here. It says, imitate another player. If anyone else can guess correctly, the next person becomes the new target. Otherwise, you drink. Oh, okay. So I guess this is kind of it. I would probably play this with soda. But yeah, so you have to imitate the player and then that. So it's kind of a fun little drinking, playing game here to be playing there. So it says, that one's inappropriate. So everyone votes for the person they believe is the biggest jerk, and then that person has to drink. So you kind of got those, and then you have the X's and O's. I guess when you land on an X and an O, you try to do that, and then you get to play these different things here. It looks like it's a very flexible game that you're able to change it around. I don't know if I showed you guys the instructions. This is the instructions here. You could probably pause it and read those if you really care about what's going on with the different game suggestions. So very cool. So cool. Fun. Or you could just play regular tic-tac-toe if you wanted to and pick X's versus O's. I'm picking all X's. So X, O, and an O, and an X. Oh, I would have won right there. But whatever, you get the idea. X, X. There's a lot of X's. Oh, I guess X's need to start. But there we go. So very cool. So thumbs up from me on this. There we go. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.